tell you a couple things, but before I give an update, I'd like to say thank you to the county commissioners who have been very, very supportive of us, not just now, but since the inception of the hospitals, both hospitals actually. It is extremely important now that we work together as entities in this county to make sure that our citizens are safe. It is extremely important to me. It's extremely important to our health system. I know it's important to the First Health folk too, and just to have you as partners is just extremely important. I want to say thank you all for coming out on yesterday. We erected a tent yesterday that we received from the state to kind of help us make sure that we can keep, when we start a lot of testing, or if we have a lot of patients, we can keep those patients separated from people who are regular patients, if we may. You guys came out yesterday. I gave a plea, and I mean really in less than 24 hours this happened, and I can't thank you enough. Thank you to Butterball for supplying this equipment. It will be very, very helpful for us and First Health. I sent out a plea earlier to the economic development developer earlier in the week, and he has tried to assist us as well. And I did tell him at that time, whatever we got, we were willing to share with our partners at First Health. And so you guys are making that happen. You are keeping people safe as we try to take care of our community. And you know, you've made really, really good statements when you're telling people to practice social distancing and to practice good hygiene. That is extremely important. I tell people all the time, help us help you. We want to help you, but we've got to be there to help you. And now that we have community spread, which means that we don't know how the individual got COVID-19, that means that any of us could have COVID-19. And so in order to help us help you, you've got to practice the guidelines that the governor has put in place about social distancing and not being out and just going out when you need to go out. So I appreciate the county for doing that. We do have the tent there. We will put that into operation probably the first of next week. You guys saw it. We want to get the divider so that people can have some privacy. We will work with our partner hospital. It's important. We can't be separate. All of us have to be together in this. And so I certainly thank them for the work that they're already doing. We do have positive cases in this community. The cases that we've tested have basically come from Cumberland and Robertson County, but there are a couple cases here, and so we need to be cognizant of that and be aware. But unless you have something else you want me to talk about, I can tell you that the models now show that for North Carolina, or the model that I saw this morning, is that our peak, because of the things that the governor has put in place, the stay at home, stay in place, our peak has shifted to the 27th of April as opposed to the 22nd of April. And what does that mean for us? It means it gives us more time to prepare, and it also gives us time to decrease that peak, which is a good thing for all North Carolinians. And so I'll stop there unless you have something additional that you want me to talk about. But again, thank you to you all for making this happen. Thank you to Butterball for making this happen, and other businesses that have donated to us through the foundation in Fayetteville. Thank you to those businesses. We got something from Sunpath, and there was a nail salon here. I can't remember the name of it, but they donated through the foundation. So thank you very much.
Cats from the news.